play a number game. Put your left hand on paper and let's trace it like me. Now put your right hand on here and let's trace it again. Good job. Repeat after me. 0, 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1. You remember number 1. I know. 1, 1, 1. Corn. 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Right, 2 here. 2. 2, 0, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. 3. Right? 3 number. 3 number. 3. 3. Now 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4. 4. Okay. Number 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 5. 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See you soon.